Make a great choice today with the 2022 and is priced below $60,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, driver adjustable suspension, height, power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, stability control, sports suspension, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, regenerative braking system. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.